There is a tiny house with a red concept like this. How can this tiny house change your life? Keep watching this video. I'm taking you inside a tiny house that's not just a home, it's lifestyle. This cozy space is proof that you don't need a lot of square footage to live big. In fact, this tiny house might just change the way you think about living. Let's go inside. Step inside, and the first thing you will notice is how bright and welcoming this space feels. The white walls and large black windows flood the room with natural light, making it feel open and airy. And then there's the red accent wall. It's bold, it's vibrant, and it's completely transformed the space. This is not just a wall, it's a statement. Can we take the moment to appreciate this red wall or this red accent? It's the heart of the tiny house. Paired with the sleek black windows, it creates a modern edgy vibe that's full of personality. It's amazing how one design choice can set the tone for the entire space. Now let's talk about the living area. It's small but it's designed to perfection. The cozy sofa is perfect for curling up a book. The compact table is ideal for meals or work, and the chair adds just the right amount of extra seating. The wooden floor ties everything together, adding warmth and touch of nature to the space. And here's where the magic happens: the loft bed. This is such a clever use of vertical space. The ladder is sturdy and easy to climb, and the bed itself looks like the coziest spot in the house. Imagine waking up here, surrounded by all this natural light. It's like sleeping in your own little sanctuary. What I love most about this tiny house is how every detail has been carefully thought out. The white walls keep the space feeling open. The red accent walls adds character, and the black windows give it a modern edge. It's the perfect blend of style and functionality. Living here is not just about downsizing, it's about upgrading your life. Welcome to this cozy kitchen. Today we're taking you on a little tour of a space where functionality meets style. As you step inside, the heart of the home comes to life with its clean, sleek design and vibrant accents. Here we have a spacious kitchen that combines modern convenience with subtle touches of personality. The center of this kitchen, well, it starts with the sink nestled under a large black frame window that lets in a plenty of natural light, making the whole room feel warm and welcoming. Take a look at the sink. It's deep and spacious, perfect for all your washing needs, whether you're cleaning up after a big meal or rinsing fresh veggies. And this sink makes it all easy. Next, we have the stove, built for both cooking and hosting. Sleek stainless steel finish pairs perfectly with the black windows throughout the house, creating a chic, minimal look. Over here, we have the refrigerator, a modern, spacious model with plenty of room for groceries. It's strategically placed for convenience while still maintaining the overall clean aesthetic of the kitchen. And let's not forget the abundance of built-in cabinets. With so much storage, keeping the kitchen organized is a breeze. Whether you're storing spice, dish, or even your collection of kitchen gadgets, there's space for everything. And then, what really brings the kitchen to life? Those are the subtle red accents scattered throughout, from the tittle touch on the countertops to the chic red pots hanging above. This pops of color and in an inviting, playful feel to the space. It is the perfect balance of warm tones that complement the natural walls and sleek cabinetry. The overall vibe of this kitchen is all about bright, open space that feel welcoming, functional, and just a little bit fun. The combination of black windows, the soft lighting, and the minimalist design creates a place where cooking feels like a pleasure, and every corner is a treat to the eyes. So there you have it, a modern, stylish kitchen that's perfect for both everyday use and entertaining. What do you think of the red accents and those black frame windows? Let us know in the comment below. And welcome to this beautiful bathroom tour. And we're exploring a space that's spring functional and full of charm. Let's take a closer look at this cozy yet stylish bathroom. Right here, we have a pristine white sink perfect for your everyday needs. The clean minimal design blends seamlessly with the rest of the bathroom, giving it a fresh modern vibe. Beside the sink, you will find the toilet, simple, functional, and just what you need for a quick visit. Now let's move over the shower cabin. The shower cabin here is designed to give you an open, spacious feel while maintaining a sleek look. It's perfect for a relaxing shower after a long day with all the space you need to move around comfortability. Now let's talk about the small but unique red wastafel. The vibrant color really adds a pop of personality to the room. Above it, you will notice a sleek mirror great for getting ready or simply adding a bit of style to the space. The red accent here ties everything together, giving the bathroom a touch of warmth without overwhelming the space. Another standout feature is the black window, which not only looks amazing but also brings in natural light. It creates a bright and airy atmosphere, perfect for starting the day on a positive note. Above, we have the white exhaust fan designed to keep the bathroom well ventilated and fresh, an essential feature for maintaining a clean, comfortable space. What really makes this bathroom stand out are the small red accents scattered around, from the red accessories to the playful towel designs. These little or these little pops of color give the space a fun, inviting atmosphere. It's these touches of red that bring warmth and character to the otherwise natural bathroom. And there you have it, a modern, bright bathroom that both practically and stylish. From the clean white sink and toilet to the striking red accent, every detail has been carefully chosen to create a space that feels comfortable, functional, and just a little bit fun. So, what do you think? Could you see yourself living in a space like this? This tiny house is not just a place to live, it's a way to simplify, focus on what truly matters, and life full of intention. If this tour inspired you, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tiny house tours and lifestyle tips in this channel. And thank you for watching until the end, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good day.